So in the other day, I was thinking about how many watercolor paintings I need to sell so I can live comfortably as a full-time artist, or just enough money to use it on my free time. And I sat down and I did some calculations, and I was a little bit surprised by my calculation result. It totally made sense that people online tells us that you have to have different income streams. Just let me break it down for you. Hi, my name is Mai. If you're new here, I go by Sketcher Canopy on YouTube, and this is my channel to talk about my art and document my artistic journey. My art is on quite cheaper side since I'm unknown and haven't built up any reputation yet. I'm not really comfortable charging extreme price as if my paintings are to be hung in a museum or auctioned. So this price that I'm going to talk about is temporary. I can move up and down accordingly when my reputation grows or simply supply and demand. If demand is high, I can pull up the price. Anyway, let's go back to my desk and do some calculations. If you're calculating this with me, you have to change the numbers accordingly, especially the tax, expenses, and the price you want to sell your original paintings. So my price is, let's say, between 900 to 1300 Swedish krona for original paintings. I will show them some other currency for references on the screen. And I was thinking, if I made an artwork every week, it would be a lot for me to sell. There's 52 weeks in a year, and probably won't work holiday weeks, so maybe I paint 45 weeks max. So that means 45 artworks in a year. And if I sell them in the next year, how much does it make? So this is my calculation result. And I have to put aside some money for some expenses. So let's just say 5,000 Swedish krona for expenses. And I have to save half for the tax. That means this much is left. And this is how much I would make if I sold all 45 paintings and whole income for a year. Maybe if I market my art so hard and well, it might be possible to sell all the paintings, but I feel very lucky if I sold half of them. Realistically, I would say 10 to 5 paintings would be average, but I don't know. I haven't sold my original paintings online. So this is calculation result. If I sell 23 paintings in a year, I would get this much after tax and expenses. And if I sell 5 to 10 paintings, this is how much I get after tax and also expenses. So needless to say, selling 45 original watercolor paintings is not enough to sustain a living by myself. But I have a partner to live with, so let's say we can divide the bills in half. But this income is not even nearly enough to cover the whole year rent. So this was a little bit surprising reality check. The thing I can do is paint the bigger paintings, but this also brings up the expense costs like shipping materials, the watercolor paper itself, the paints. So I figured that selling only originals paintings is not enough to become a full-time artist, at least in the first year of selling, maybe. I guess that's when you tap into a printing business. So I have pulled up some prices with various sizes in a printing shop online here in Sweden. So let's say that I could sell small print for 55 Swedish krona.
and medium size for 235 Swedish krona. I have no idea why, but there's a significant price jump in the printing shop I looked up. And let's say I have sold 15 small prints and 10 medium prints. I've got no idea which size sell well, so these numbers are very random number I pulled up. With this 25 sales, I get this much, and let's say 45 variants and sold same amount. Let's say that these numbers are average number 15 and 10 prints. That means 47,250 Swedish krona, and that just exceeds my original sales and possible to become full-time artist. So I've been researching about the business registering I should do. When do I have to pay VAT or add VAT on my price?
But wait, we have to consider if it's monthly sales or this is a whole year sales. If it's a monthly sales, I can become a full-time artist. But if it's not, I cannot yet. But at the moment, I can only sell originals. I don't have a printer to print the art print. I don't have a big budget to order prints. And also, I don't have a place to keep those prints in my house. You could say you can do print on demand. Yes, I have ordered my paintings from print on demand, and this is one of it. And I don't really like the paper. It was really flimsy and it wasn't that cheap either for a flimsy paper. So I don't really know. So what I can do now is do what I can do and slowly invest. So to conclude, becoming a full-time artist, selling originals, at least here in Sweden, in the first year, could be pretty difficult. So I have to think about if I could become a full-time artist, not in a year. I have to think about if I could become a full-time artist in 5 years, I think.